Welcome back to Smart Currency Tube. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, but with a twist. We're shining a light on some of the most bizarre blunders made by Bitcoin enthusiasts. Now, we all know that investing in Bitcoin can be a wild ride, filled with ups and downs. But sometimes the missteps are so outrageous that they deserve a good laugh. From accidentally sending thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin to the wrong address to forgetting passwords that lock them out of their wallets forever. These humorous financial misadventures are not just entertaining. They also serve as valuable lessons for all of us. Imagine losing a fortune because you mistook a zero for a one. In this episode, we'll explore some of the most jaw-dropping and laugh-out-loud moments in the cryptocurrency world. These stories remind us that while Bitcoin can be serious business, it's also a playground for the unexpected. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about the crypto craze, stick around. You'll not only get a chuckle, but also some insights on what to avoid in your own crypto journey. Let's jump into these entertaining mistakes and learn from the past. When it comes to cryptocurrency, one of the most common pitfalls is the dreaded wallet mishap. Picture this. You've invested in Bitcoin, and everything is going smoothly until you realize you've forgotten your password. It's a nightmare scenario that many have faced. One unfortunate investor spent hours trying to remember their password, only to find out they had written it down on a sticky note that got lost in the chaos of their desk. Talk about a classic case of, if only I had been more organized. Then there are the stories of misplaced private keys. Imagine a crypto enthusiast who thought they were being clever by storing their private key on a USB drive only to misplace it during a move. They searched high and low, only to find it months later, right next to a box of old holiday decorations. These anecdotes may sound funny, but they highlight a crucial lesson. Secure wallet management is essential. Whether it's using a password manager, writing down your credentials in a safe place, or opting for hardware wallets, taking the time to safeguard your assets can save you from a world of regret. So, let's learn from these wallet mishaps and keep our crypto safe and sound. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, impulsive trading decisions can lead to some pretty entertaining and often regrettable outcomes. One of the most common blunders is panic selling during market dips. Picture this. A Bitcoin enthusiast sees the price drop suddenly and, in a frenzy, decides to sell all their holdings, only to watch the market rebound just hours later. It's a classic case of reacting too quickly, and unfortunately, many have found themselves in this situation, kicking themselves for not holding on just a little longer. Then there's the infamous FOMO, or fear of missing out. This phenomenon can lead traders to jump into a coin just because they see everyone else raving about it. One trader, convinced they'd miss the next big surge, bought in at an all-time high, only to see the price plummet shortly after. The emotional roller coaster of FOMO trading can be both thrilling and devastating. These stories serve as a reminder that a strategic approach to trading is essential. Instead of making hasty decisions based on emotions, it's crucial to develop a well-thought-out plan. By doing your research and sticking to your strategy, you can avoid the pitfalls of impulsive trading and make more informed decisions in the ever-changing crypto landscape. As exciting as the world of cryptocurrency can be, it also has its fair share of dark corners filled with scams that target unsuspecting investors. One of the most notorious scams is phishing, where scammers create fake websites that look almost identical to legitimate exchanges. Imagine a Bitcoin enthusiast who, in a rush to make a trade, accidentally enters their credentials on a phishing site. Within minutes, their funds are gone, leaving them with nothing but a sinking feeling and a lesson learned the hard way. Then, there are the infamous fake initial coin offerings, ICOs. Picture this. A shiny new project promises the moon and stars, complete with a slick website and a charismatic team. Investors, lured by the potential for massive returns, pour their money into the ICO, only to discover it was all a ruse. One such tale involves a group of investors who lost thousands to a project that vanished overnight, leaving them with nothing but empty promises. These entertaining yet cautionary tales highlight the importance of due diligence before investing in any cryptocurrency. Always research projects thoroughly and verify their legitimacy. Staying informed about potential scams can save you from becoming the next victim. Remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is your best defense against the dark side. Blockchain technology and cryptocurrency often get tangled in a web of misconceptions, leading to some amusing misunderstandings. For instance, many people still think that blockchain is just another name for Bitcoin. Imagine someone at a party confidently declaring, "I just invested in blockchain," while holding a Bitcoin wallet. It's a classic mix-up that highlights how intertwined these terms have become, even though blockchain is the underlying technology that powers various cryptocurrencies, not just Bitcoin. Another funny example involves folks who believe that blockchain is a physical object, like a hard drive or a USB stick. Picture someone trying to download blockchain onto their computer, only to be met with confusion when they realize it's a decentralized ledger that exists across countless nodes worldwide. Understanding the technology behind cryptocurrency is crucial for anyone looking to navigate this space effectively. Blockchain is more than just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary system that can transform industries beyond finance. By educating yourself on blockchain fundamentals, you can avoid these common pitfalls and make informed decisions. Whether it's through online courses, articles, or videos, taking the time to learn about blockchain will empower you in your crypto journey. So, let's clear up the confusion and dive into the fascinating world of blockchain technology together. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, the allure of lesser-known altcoins can be incredibly tempting. Many investors find themselves chasing after the next big altcoin, hoping to strike gold like those who got in early on Bitcoin or Ethereum. Take, for example, the story of an enthusiastic investor who poured their savings into a flashy new altcoin that promised revolutionary technology. They were convinced they'd found the next Bitcoin, only to watch the project fizzle out and their investment vanish into thin air. These tales are not uncommon. The excitement surrounding new altcoins can lead to impulsive decisions, often without proper research. Many investors jump on the bandwagon, lured by social media hype or celebrity endorsements, only to discover that the project lacks a solid foundation or a competent team. The risks of investing in these projects can be significant, and the potential for loss is high. Instead of getting swept up in the frenzy of the latest altcoin craze, it's wise to focus on established cryptocurrencies with proven track records. By doing your homework and investing in projects that have demonstrated stability and reliability, you can mitigate risks and make more informed decisions. Remember, in the world of crypto, patience and research often pay off more than chasing after fleeting trends. As we wrap up our exploration of the bizarre blunders and entertaining mishaps in the world of cryptocurrency, it's clear that there's much to learn from the experiences of others. From wallet mishaps and impulsive trading decisions to the dark side of scams and the allure of overhyped altcoins, these stories serve as valuable lessons for all of us. By understanding these common pitfalls, we can better navigate the crypto landscape and make more informed choices. Remember, the key takeaway is to learn from the mistakes of fellow investors. Whether it's securing your wallet, conducting thorough research before investing, or focusing on established cryptocurrencies, knowledge is your best ally in this volatile market. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, give this episode a like, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more engaging content that can benefit the entire crypto community. Don't forget to explore more related content on our channel, where we dive deeper into cryptocurrency trends, investment strategies, and the latest news. Together, let's continue to learn and grow in this exciting world of digital assets. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.